Hello, this is Mr. Allegro again. Today I'm going to show you another printer dilemma fixer for those that are looking to print more than one page off a document, but not the whole document necessarily. Here, let me show you. For example, I'm going to go to my drive, and I'm going to pick a document that has more than a couple pages. I scroll down to one that I know is pretty important to me, and sometimes I show kids these slides, because bullying prevention is very important. I click on my Google Slides doc. Now let's say that I just wanted to talk about introductory stuff that have to do with bullying prevention within the Watertown Public Schools. It's very simple. I just go to my print icon, either on my toolbar or with my file button. I then check for two things. One, I want to make sure that I'm printing to the correct printer. And yes, I do want to print to the library laser printer. The second thing I do is I check the pages that I want to print. Now in this instance, I don't want to print the whole document. The whole document will take a lot of paper. I don't need the whole document, and it does burn a lot of toner within the printer, especially if you're using the color printer in the library. So for this one, I'm going to keep it simple. I just want to print pages 2 through 6. I do that using a dash. This means that pages 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are going to be the only pages printed to the library laser printer. I also make sure that I have one copy going to the printer. As you can see, the second I punched in the number 2, it brought up page 2. Here, I'll show you again. There's page 1. I don't need that page. I need pages 2 through 6. To the right, you can see that page 2 popped up first, and 3, 4, 5, and 6 are underneath. I then press print, and I go check the printer. If it didn't print correctly, or I'm having a little bit of trouble, just ask the librarian that's in the printer, that's in the library. Or you can ask your teacher for help if the librarian's busy. Thanks.